Hi everyone, it's been a while. So I'm going to call this maintenance update 1. As you can see, it's raining, probably. And I've just spent probably about 3 hours up here on the roof. Had to take barge board, so the water deflector edge off and the barge board off. Finally sorted out all the gap that I had there as a temporary measure, because I had another leak in the roof. So this time it was this seal. When I last had them all off, I fixed that one, put sealant in it, and then I fixed this one, put sealant in it, and now I've just had to do this one. My advice to you is, if you do use one of these roofs, Kingspan insulated panels, put this one down first, and then do the overlap, and then the overlap. And do put butylene sealant in. I've just used No Nonsense one, I think it was. It's down there on the ground. No, it's Trademate or something. Roofers butyl. £7 out of what's it called, Screwfix. So yeah, I've, as you can see there, gone well overboard. There's basically a whole tube in this one, and I've gone through and done all of the screw holes again, where I've taken them out. I've put butyl in before I screwed back in, so that should get us nice and waterproof again. The only other thing that I had a problem with is, because I haven't got any weep vents, the bottom of the door where I had to drill water flow, so that the water that gets in behind the seals, which does happen, that's just life, has somewhere to go out. That's usually manufactured in. It wasn't in mine, so had to do that. Where that's coming in, there's cold air now meeting hot metal, so I'm getting condensation on the inside. I've yet to sort of finally fix that problem, so I'm also going to have trouble down there. So there might be a maintenance update 2 at some point. But yeah, word to the wise, if you use this, that's what's going to happen. But yeah, 6 months in, this is the state of the roof. It was a lot grimmer. It was, you know, covered in tree mulch because the neighbour's trees overhang my property. Yeah, there was a lot of tree mulch, but yeah, I did manage to get in here and sort all that sealing out and make sure that's absolutely golden, which is nice actually. We're in a lot better place now, although I am absolutely freezing my tits off, so I'm going in. Thank you very much for watching. If you're still subscribed, hopefully it was nice to see it again, and if you've not started your project yet because you're waiting for the next summer to start, hopefully this gave you a little bit more information, and definitely worth the investment on a tube or two of butylene between each joint. Thank you very much for watching. I've been Counting Rabbit Holes. You've been phenomenal. Bye bye.